Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Risk Wig from the Ellen Wille Hairpower collection. This is a beautiful pixie cropped cut synthetic style which is ready to go straight from the box. It is a super popular style because you can just throw it on and that is you all set to go. So I'm just going to flip this wig inside out so that you can have a closer look at the cap construction. So here on the front we have a lovely lace front which just gives a really natural appearance and makes it look like that hair is growing straight from your head. You've also got a little monofilament section on the crown there, again just showing straight through to your scalp and making it look like it's growing it straight from your head. Then we have the wefting on the back which has a lovely stretch to it, making it super comfortable and allowing plenty of airflow to keep you nice and cool. On the ear tabs here we've got some under knotting, meaning that the hair fibres are going to sit really beautifully across your temples, giving it a really natural appearance. You've got your little adjustable velcro extenders at the back for getting the perfect fit, and the ear tabs with the metal stays, again just for getting that fit absolutely perfect for you. So I'm just going to pop one of the Risk Wigs out the box and pop it straight on so you can see exactly how easy it is to get this wig ready. It out the box here, and I've just popped on a little wig cap to keep my hair out the road. So just from the front, getting that lace front to sit across my forehead there, adjusting it down from the back and adjusting the little ear tabs so the lace front is about 4 centimeters from my eyebrows. So as you can see, it's a really fun, funky, shorter style. This is the shade Dark Sand Mix, which has some lovely highlights running through it for a really natural look. You can style this wig with a wee bit extra tussle if you want. A great addition to that is the Judy Plum styling spray right here. This is fab for just adding a little bit extra texture to your wig and making sure that style stays in place all day long. I'm going to try on a couple of the other colours that are available at Judy Plum so you can have a little look. This is the shade Hot Chocolate Mix, which is a lovely deep brunette with some really warm toned highlights running through. I'm also just going to push this fringe off the back to show you another way that it could be styled. So you can have the hair sitting more kind of off your forehead there, or you can bring it down to give it more of that kind of fringe look. Here we have the colour Smoke Mix. This is a very popular smoky grey colour which has plenty of dimension, very natural shades. And the final shade I've got here is Caramel Mix. So this is a lovely blonde colour with lots of highlights and lowlights, loads of different shades giving it a very natural appearance. I'm going to do a little spin around so you can see what this wig looks like from every angle. You've got 11 centimeters from the crown in length, and you've got 5 centimeters at both the nape and the fringe. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Risk Wig from the Ellen Wille Hairpower collection. As you can see, it is a super fun shorter style, perfect for the summer months to get your hair off your neck. It's a nice comfortable wig to wear that can be styled more off the face or with that fringe coming down. Judy Plum have plenty of colours in this wig that are all available at the website ready for next day delivery. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can find me over on Instagram at @alopecia, and don't forget to follow Judy Plum across all social media. Don't forget to check out the other wig review videos on the Judy Plum YouTube channel and head over to the Judy Plum website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you again soon.